My jollies! Today I'll show you how to make diamonds with sand and water. I take this sand into this orange mold. Take off the extra sand. Now I'll put some dry sand into this, and now I'm throwing it away. I will mix this wet sand and dry sand into this properly. Now I am mixing this with my hand because we have to take lot of care by mixing. Now the sand is getting ready. You make sure that the sand is be just like that for just 5 minutes, so that we will get very nice diamonds out of this. Okay, now I'll come to the other side and mix the sand. This is very dry and nice. Okay, now again I sit here and properly mix the sand with my hand. Place hot and mix it properly. Now I am making this into a diamond shape. Now I am putting this shape into the green bucket. I will make more shapes and put into the bucket. Now I am taking some dry sand into the bottle. I will add this into my basket. Okay, it is almost full. Now we have to press this sand properly. Okay friends, and now I'll wait some time to diamonds to get ready. Meanwhile, let me fill this blue mold. Okay, now I'll put this into these. Look here, my friends. Boom bush, boom bush. Now see, my diamonds are ready. Oh wow, yay! Now I'm going to make more diamonds in the same way. Now I'll show how to make with the yellow mold. I will take sand for the basket, put into the molds and make more diamonds like these. Boom bush, boom bush, boom bush. Yellow mom's diamonds are ready. Yay! Again, I'll make by repeating the same process. You also follow the same procedure. Now I make diamonds with this bottle. Boom bush, boom bush, boom bush, boom bush. You make sure that you are following all the steps properly. Boom bush, boom bush, boom bush. Oh wow, yeah! Okay friends, I'm done with my diamonds. Bye bye. Hi friends, make sure you need to subscribe to